Yeah, here we are at Tucklesholme Quarry, and this is a river island restoration project, and it's through the removal of about 5,000 cubic meters of topsoil, loaded down into the river here, and then once the river comes in, it'll actually generate its own habitats.